In today's video, I will show you a website which will pay you $20 for every 2 minutes of work that you do. But for you to know this method, you would need to finish the whole video and pay attention to every detail because you might not earn if you miss out even a single information. If you're really eager to earn, you would need to follow each and every step that we will be teaching you in this video. This is a straightforward way to earn money this year, and it's completely free. Welcome again to another video here at Money Express, where we teach you ways on how you can earn money online, hassle-free and fast. Before anything else, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's now start with the tutorial. First is go to google.com. Again, let me remind you to follow each and every step that I will be teaching you. Now, once you're in Google, search for the word Capterra. It's spelled as Capterra. Click the search button and you will see in the results this website entitled Top Software at Capterra, Software and Software Reviews. As soon as you click Capterra.com, you will see a page that looks like this. This is a platform which will pay you for your services. So, what kind of services would this be? You will be paid for writing reviews and you don't have to buy or even use the product. Approximately, you would be able to do this in 2 minutes. Like what I mentioned earlier, I will teach you how to do this in less than 2 minutes. You can see here that there are 800 plus categories of different software and programs. For each category, you will see different programs and software which you can review. These products are online and you can review them, which in return, you will be paid up to $20 per 5 minutes of work. But if you stay tuned to this video, I will show you how to do this in less than 2 minutes. You also have a chance to earn $10 over and over without having to purchase the software or the product. Now, going back to the video, as you can see, these are products and software that other professionals are using. These are just few examples of these products as what you're seeing on the screen. Aside from this, there are thousands of different products that you can choose from and write a review for. If you go to browse categories, you will see thousands of different categories like these. These categories include business-related software, customer service-related software, email software, data collection software, and so on. You will earn money for each product or software that you review. For example, you want to write a review about QuickBooks. Here's a tip that will save you time. How do you do this? Copy the software title and software name and go back to Google and look for that review about that software. So of course, you need to type QuickBooks review and you will see different reviews right here. I can look at these links right here and I can get an idea of how people are doing it. These people are able to write these reviews without having to buy the product. If you try to click on this one, you will be able to read this review and you should not copy everything that is said here. Instead, you're going to get an idea from this. This will save you so much time because you're going to get an idea from these reviews and you don't need to waste time in using, buying, or even researching about the product. In a moment, I will be showing you an example so that you will have a clearer idea. Now let me show you a real-life example on how you can do this. Go to this page as what I've shown you at the start of the video. Click on Write a Review, which would redirect you to this page. Select which product, company, or software you would like to review. In this case, I would like to review QuickBooks. Just click on it and you will be taken to this page where you will write your review. First is you will need to fill out information about yourself. You'll need to put your last name, full name, email address, and other basic information about you. It will also ask you additional questions like, how frequently do you use the software? I suggest you choose daily instead of monthly because that will indicate that you don't use the software at all. In this question, what is your role? In this case, you will need to choose user because this will show you bought this software. Now, click the next button and here, you just need to rate the software starting from the overall rating. Now, you can go back to the reviews of others. Here, you can see that the overall rating is 4.5 out of 5 stars. The better the review, the more positive the feedback. It would be better to always leave a 5-star rating, most especially if the review of others is good. For the ease of use, maybe you can put 4 and 5 for the others, even if these are optional. You can also write other features, although it is optional. If you have the time, you can also do this because the more items you fill out, the higher you're going to earn. Now here, you're going to compare the price of QuickBooks to similar software. You can choose from inexpensive, mid-tier, and expensive. And lastly is how likely you're going to recommend this to your friends or colleague. You can put here as high as a 9. We'll now go to the last step, which is giving your review a title. You may refer to other people's reviews for this. For example, you can write, despite the problem, QuickBooks remains the best accounting software for small businesses. QuickBooks may have flaws, but it's still one of the best accounting software available on the market. You don't have to copy the same exact title and you can create your own title based on other reviews. Now, you're going to write the pros and cons. Again, you may get ideas from other reviews, and here, these items are optional, but I suggest that if you are willing, you can fill these out because the more forms you fill out, the better and higher pay you're gonna get. As a result, more people and more product owners will accept your review. So as much as possible, don't leave anything empty. Then here, you can choose whether you switch to this from another product. Click yes and say which product you switched from. For example, you switched from Excel. Click the Excel option and scroll down and tick this box which says, by submitting this review, I certify to Capterra and its affiliates that I am the person I represent to be. Of course, it's you because you typed in your name and your last name during the first few steps that I showed. Just a reminder, make sure to enter your real information. After you tick the box, just click submit and you're done. This process will take about 5 minutes, and by doing this, you are going to earn $20. Well, congratulations because you made it to the end of the video. I hope you were able to learn something valuable today, and of course, we would like to know what you think about this video. Please leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And to watch more videos like this, hit the notification bell and don't forget to hit the like button. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned to the next one. Bye!